So we need some sprites. So we're going to create two bumper sprites. We're going to delete the cat sprite and paint a new sprite to draw a line, which the player will use to hit the ball with. Make sure to rename your sprite if you are drawing it, and right click it to duplicate to make identical bumpers. So we can either paint it, or there is one in the Scratch library for us. So if we choose a sprite, and if we scroll down just a little bit, I think it's called not the line, but the paddle. And we need two paddles, so I'm going to go ahead and right click and duplicate to get two paddles. But if you have some difficulty duplicating, feel free to add in the paddle again. That way we have two paddles. Make sure paddle 2 is on top and paddle 1 is on the bottom of the screen. So we created two bumpers. That way we can position the bumpers. So when the green flag is clicked, the bumpers will go to X and Y at a set position. And bumper 2 will go to X and Y at a certain X position. And it should look something like this for bumper 1. Let's try it out. We need some coding blocks. Some categories we're going to be using are events, motion, control, and sensing. So the first one is when flag is clicked. We're going to make bumper 1 go to 0 and Y negative 129. So we'll do that. Events, when flag clicked, we will go to a certain coordinate. We have the coordinates 0 and negative 129. And feel free to click that on the flag to make sure the positioning is just right. Next, we want a forever block because we want to control it with our mouse pointer. So we're going to set X to, that way we can stay on the X axis, left and right. And we're going to set X to mouse X. So forever, we only want our paddles to move left and right. So this is why we are stuck on the X axis. So let's use a motion category to set X to, we want to set it to the mouse. So sensing, but we want to stay on the X axis, so mouse X. And if you click the flag, you should be able to move your paddle left and right with your mouse. Regardless if you're moving your mouse up and down, it will only move left and right. Great. Let's work on bumper 2.